Well, my YouTube friends, good morning. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm sitting here. Oh, God, what is today? 20th of July? 2 in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I'm sitting here listening to my iPod, and I find myself stopping myself from tapping my toe to Charlie Pride. And I'm like, I'm not trying to satisfy that woman anymore. Why am I not tapping my... I swear to God, folks, living with that woman all these years, if I were listening to music with my earbuds and I just should happen to start tapping my toe to the music, she would get so upset just because my toe was tapping on the floor. She hated it when I was enjoying myself. You know, maybe there is a reason why divorce is expensive. Because it's worth it. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to